Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will talk about videos. So videos are very, very important because they have a strong emotional connection with your audience. Okay. You can't lie on a video. So there's more credibility when it comes to video. They also add credibility to you, to your brand. Videos increase brand recognition because they are more believable, right? So these are the few reasons why you should be doing videos, and you don't need to buy any fancy equipment. Like I said before, just use your smartphone. You don't need to buy any expensive cameras. You don't need to take any extra equipment with you while you make these videos. If you're making these videos at job sites, you don't need to carry anything with you except for your smartphone or maybe a lapel mic to increase the sound quality. I use shotgun mic as well, which helps me get better voice quality in outdoor videos. But that's about it. You don't need to buy anything expensive out there. These mics are between $30 to $60 and that's it. So that's the only thing you might need besides your smartphone. Make as many videos as you can, and then you can transcribe them. You can use them on social media. You can use them on Facebook. You can use them on YouTube and so on. So anyways, videos are a great way to get backlinks and traffic to your website, and they both help you rank higher. They both help you increase your rankings, backlinks and traffic. So when you make videos, make sure they are to the point. Now, short doesn't really mean that these have to be like 30-second videos. If you're showing someone how to remove a stain from a carpet, and if that takes 2 minutes, then so be it. Let it be 2 minutes. But keep it to the point, because otherwise you lose the attention of your audience. Make sure that the videos you make add value. You know, how to get rid of wine stains, how to repair roof, how to clean an office, or how to keep an office clean, and so on and so forth. You know, how to get water out of a basement, how to remove mold. So all these how-to videos will get more views and get more traffic. So yeah, like I just said, use how-to videos. Now, when you upload these videos to YouTube, make sure you add metadata. Okay, you already know what that is because that was in one of the first modules. So let me give you an example. I'm on YouTube and I looked for stain removal from carpet. Once again, we were on this site before from HGTV, and this is what's called metadata. The headline, how to remove tough carpet stains. And this is your description. Have you spilled ink, grease, nail polish, or wine on your carpet? So they're trying to rank this video high in ink removal, grease removal, wine stain removal, and so on. And then they also have links to their website and their social media profile, right? Let's look for maybe another one. If we go to the second video, now this one has 1 million views. This one actually has more views than the HGTV video we saw before this. So this one has over 1 million views. There must be something good about this video, right? That's why they have 13,000 likes. So see what this guy is talking about, and can you do it better than that? Yes, it's not that hard. Remove virtually any spot from carpet with 6 common household items you probably already have, okay? And this is the description. And right here, they mention their website. They have some search phrases here, a headline, and so on. So if you don't know how to add meta tags in YouTube, I have a video in tools and resources, how to add meta tags or metadata to YouTube videos. So it's very easy. When you upload your video, right there, YouTube gives you a title and description area, which is where you add, copy paste a headline and a small description and a link to your website, your social media profiles, of course, if you want. And that's about it. It's fairly easy. But like I said, I do have a video that explains how to do it. So once again, make sure you add metadata, you add title, headline, description, a link to your social media or your website when you upload YouTube videos. Now make sure you have high quality thumbnails as well. This is something I don't do myself. I outsource this. So this is a high quality thumbnail. See, before you click on the video, with this video, there is no thumbnail. You just see a carpet that doesn't say anything. But in this case, this shows how to get rid of almost any stain. Now that helps you get more views. That also helps you get more attention. As you can see, some of these videos have thumbnails and some don't. See, this video has no thumbnail, but then this video does. And you can probably see yourself that the videos with thumbnails are more attractive to be clicked on. So use thumbnails anytime you can for your videos on YouTube. You can also do videos on Facebook. And of course, with YouTube and Facebook both, you can have live videos or you can have recorded videos. But as long as those videos add value, it's okay. You can do it either ways, and you can add the description later on. With Facebook, when you do a live video, once your video is done, you can then go back and add a link to your website, or add a link or a description or a short paragraph or a title and so on. You can also share videos on Twitter, and if your followers like what they see, they may share it as well, right? Same thing with LinkedIn. You can share videos or link to your videos on your LinkedIn profile or through your LinkedIn profile and post it on LinkedIn. If you have a good following, if your videos add value, people will watch them, people will share them, and some of them may click on the link and go to your website, okay? So once again, the backlink from this and the traffic from this, both will help you increase your website's rankings, traffic, and business, okay? So I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.